Inspired by the rock-chic style, I created two complementary looks, combining the graphic liner technique with a modern version of the smoky eye. Start by drawing a line along the top and bottom inner eyelid with a black kohl pencil. Use a felt-tipped eyeliner to draw a fine line along the upper lid while gently pulling it on the outer corner of the eye. Then, draw a thin line upwards along the lower lid. It should meet the line on the upper lid. Make the graphic line as wide and long as you wish. Use a red lipstick to complete your rock-chic look. As your eye makeup is quite simple, you can use a flamboyant lipstick. Now, upgrade your makeup for an evening look. Apply a black eyeshadow to the root of the outer eyelashes, shading it inward along the eyeliner line. Shade the eyeshadow over the brow bone. Repeat the application along the lower line. Apply a burgundy eyeshadow to the inner corner of the lower eyelid and at the edge of the eyelashes. Add a touch of boldness by applying the same burgundy over the black eyeshadow on the brow bone. Shade it inward to the desired intensity. Choose a more natural lipstick to avoid overloading the makeup and put all the emphasis on the smoky look.